Now, after relative cell reference, we are having one more function that is present in Google Sheets in order to make our calculation more easy, and that is absolute cell reference. Now, when a cell reference remains fixed, it is known as absolute cell reference. Now, over here, you will be able to see that the cost of all the tickets is 50. Then why to write this 50 again and again? So this is an example of fixed value. Then other cell reference remain fixed. So it is called as absolute cell reference. Now when we are writing absolute cell reference, which sign we will be making use of? So we are making use of dollar sign. Then now I will be showing you this particular activity by demonstrating it on the hands-on part. Now you are able to see over here cost per ticket is always 50. So what I will be doing? I will be writing cost per ticket over here. So I'm writing cost per ticket. And I'm writing 50 over here. Done. I will be deleting this column because I don't think so that the column is required. As soon as I remove the column, you will be able to see an error over here. Reference does not exist. Why reference does not exist? Because the reference was about cost per ticket and I have deleted that particular part. See, over here you will be able to see C2. As soon as I delete this particular part, you will be able to see an error, that is reference error. That means the cell C was referred in this particular formula and I have removed it. Now what will happen? Now just see over here. In order to make you aware about the concept, again I am making use of equal to. Then I will be selecting B2 into cost per ticket, it is B12. Press enter. Again the same value is coming 1000. Drag it down. Drag it down. Now after dragging it down, you will be able to see that the values are not coming. Why? Now note over here, it is B13. B13 there is no cell, there is no value. B14 there is no value. B15, B16, B16 there is no value. Same for the last. It is B20. B20 also there is no value in it. So it is showing us an error. So here comes the feature called as absolute cell reference, where I will be able to just write the same formula but incorporating dollar sign. So what I'm doing it over here now, I'm making use of the same formula, but instead of directly writing B12, I write $B $12. 1000, copy paste it another. You will be able to see $B $12 now remain constant and the value B3 keeps on changing. B3, B4, B5, B6, you will be able to see it over here. B7, B8, B9 and B10. So when I'm making use of this dollar sign, it is called as absolute cell reference. Now the next part we will be talking about mixed cell reference, where it will be a combination of both absolute as well as relative.